Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 20 on the topic states of matter. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, which is root mean square velocity? We know that gases have three different velocities. One is most probable velocity, second one average velocity, and the third one is root mean square velocity. Right? So here the question is, what is root mean square velocity? What is root mean square velocity? So among these three velocities, the root mean square velocity represent with RMS. Root RMS. RMS means root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity, right? So the root mean square velocity can be defined as say the root of square root of mean of square root of mean of squares of sum of the velocities. So I mean v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square plus so on vn square, right? So square root of mean of sum of the squares of the velocity is called as root mean square velocity. If you derive this one, RMS. So if you derive this one, you will get the formula root over 3RT by M. Root over 3RT by M. So here R equal to gas constant, and T equal to temperature, and M equal to molar mass. So the correct formula is root over 3RT by M. So the correct option is the first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, for the same gas of two different temperature, the ratio of RMS velocity will be, right? So here two gases will be present. One is, so the first gas 1 and gas 2, right? Here we need to find the ratio of RMS velocity, that is u1 equal to root over 3RT 1 by M. Clear? So here the statement is two different temperatures, right? So here u2 RMS equal to root over 3RT by M. So the temperature varies from the two gases, right? The temperature varies from the two gases. So the temperature here T equal to T1, here T equal to T2, right? The remaining all are same. The molar mass is same and the constant is same, right? Now the ratio U1 by U2 equal to root over 3RT1 by M by root over 3RT2 by M. So the value is root over T1 by T2. So at different temperature, the ratio of RMS velocities will be u1 by u2 equal to root over t1 by t2, root over t1 by t2. So the correct option is second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next problem. Here the third question. At 270 degrees centigrade, the ratio of RMS velocity of ozone to oxygen. So here two gases are present. One is ozone, and the one is oxygen. So ozone molecular formula is O3, and oxygen molecular formula is O2. So both are at same temperature, that is 27 degrees centigrade. We need to find the ratio of RMS velocity, right? So here for ozone U1 RMS equal to 3RT by M1. The molar mass will be changed from one gas to another gas. So here U2 RMS equal to root over 3RT by M2. Clear? Now let's find the ratio U1 by U2 equal to root over 3RT by M1 by root over 3RT by M2. Right? Now see, you will get root over M2 by M1, M2 by M1. Clear? So this will be root over 32 by 48. So 16.2 and 16.3. So root over 2 by 3. Root over 2 by 3. Right? The ratio of, at 27 degrees centigrade, the ratio of RMS velocity of ozone to oxygen is root over 2 by 3. So the correct option is third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the most probable velocity of the molecules of gas is 1 kilometer per second. The RMS velocity of molecule is. So here they have given two velocities. First one is most probable velocity. Second one is RMS velocity of molecule. Right? We know that gases are contain three kinds of velocity. First one is most probable velocity. That's one UMP. Most probable velocity, UMP equal to root over 2RT by M. Root over 2RT by M. The second velocity, U average velocity equal to root over 8RT by pi M. 8RT by pi M. And the next one is U RMS, root mean square velocity, that is root over 3RT by M. Root over 3RT by M. The ratio between these three is URMS is to U average is to UMP. Then we can find the ratio of URMS and UMP, that is URMS by UMP equal to root over 3RT by M by root over 2RT by M. So this is equal to root over 3 by 2. Root over 3 by 2. Clear? So they have given the most probable velocity value, that is equal to 1 kilometer per second. That is equal to 1 kilometer per second, right? So then URMS equal to U most probable velocity, UMP, into root 3 by root 2. So that is 1 into, what is the root 3 value? 1.732 by 1.414. 1.414. Clear? If you solve this one, you will get the value around 1.28 kilometer per second, km per second. So the URMS is 1.28 kilometer per second, right? So the correct option is second option, 1.224 approximate value. Clear? Let's move on to the next problem. Here the question, the RMS velocity of gas at certain temperature is found to be 12,240 centimeters second. The most probable velocity of that gas in centimeter is, right? So here they have given RMS velocity of a gas at certain temperature found to be 12,240 centimeters per second. We need to find the most probable velocity of the gas is in centimeter per second. Just now we discussed URMS by U most probable velocity is equal to root 3 by root 2. Root 3 by root 2, right? So now we need to find the most probable velocity. So UMP equal to URMS into root 2 by root 3, right? They have given the URMS value, that is 12,240 into root 2 value 1.414 and root 3 value 1.732. So if you solve this one, you will get 9,995 around centimeter per second, right? So this value we can write approximately 10,000, that is equal to 10 power 4 centimeter per second. So the most probable velocity of the gas is 10 power 4 centimeter per second. So the correct option is second option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.